Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a PDF from a Google worksheet. If you're working on a Google Sheets and you want the data of this Google Sheet in your PDF form, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to get the PDF from Google Worksheet. You have to go to the option File, select this option. You have to go to this option Download. As you can see, here is the option Download. You have to select this download. You can see here many options. You can download it in Microsoft Excel, you can download it in open document form. Here our option we want that we can download it PDF document. You have to select this option, download PDF document. So here we go to the document. So you have to export. You have to go this and select this export. Here we got that we're getting this downloaded PDF. The name of the sheet is worksheet number 1. You can see here in download that we have got this worksheet number 1. So that's how you can get a PDF from a Google worksheet. So that's it. Thanks for watching.